Hi, my name is Zhen Hui.
Hi, my name is Chairu. So we have been together for 14 years and we actually quite like similar stuff. Actually, one of these is that we practice Kendo together. It's a Japanese martial art.
Okay, so this is a 5-room BTO flat. So the reason why we choose it is because we find it more convenient for us, because there's right beside there's actually this MRT bus stop and a mall.
So we actually love the bomb shelter actually at the corridor. So it makes the whole living room more spacious. Then the cons is actually because we opt in the CCS, so actually it's very difficult because the trunking is actually big and very thick lah. Yeah.
We actually know James before the start of our construction. But the process went quite smooth because we actually did a mood board for him lah. So he did everything from our mood board even down to the tiny details.
So for the living area, we wanted a Japanese inspired theme. So we also love the Shoji Door and the entrance area lah. So this is actually a must in our living area in our home.
Because Tengah have nothing from the start and we have to cook, so we decided to build carpentry on the both sides to cater our need to store our food and appliances.
Since we spend most of our time in game room or living room, so we decided to have our master bedroom as simple as possible with minimum fixed feature except the wardrobe.
Initially, because we wanted to have a real gun feel for our toilet, but after we come in and see the existing wall tiles provided by the HDB, we are quite happy with it.
Since both of us actually kind of chill and lay low, so we actually wanted the house to be actually cozy lah.
Yeah, soft, chill and relaxed.
We are most fond of the living room as we are kind of chill and we love watching shows. So we love the living room able to accommodate a 2-meter long sofa lah.
So one fun fact about our sofa is that we can actually put it all the way back so we can lie down, sleep here, or we can even sit up straight watching our